Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Apurva. Today we're gonna paint a beautiful landscape from beautiful city Jaipur. We're gonna do it with watercolor and acrylic. Let's get started. First, we're gonna sketch the whole structure in front with a pen or a fine liner which should be waterproof. Use masking tape to separate water and sky. Paint the background with watercolor first, then let it dry and paint the water part. The paper I am using is behaving like a handmade paper. This is another painting which is a handmade paper, but I am using a different paper which is a cold press paper. Still it is behaving like a very textured paper. So we're gonna paint a waterline now. I'm using a burnt sienna for making waterline. So I'm gonna make some parallel strokes here and there, just a random strokes to replicate the shadows over water. This is a light gray color. Create the darker area, shadows at the bottom. If you want the original photograph of it, you can message me on Instagram and I will send it to you. Link of my Instagram is in description, or you can search Art with Apurva on Instagram. When the background is completed, you need to let it dry for at least 4 to 6 hours depending upon the weather. I left it for around 24 hours and came back to this background the next day. I used acrylic for the monument part. You can use watercolor or any other type of color, that's completely your choice. I used acrylic because I want to cover up all the mishaps I done before it. So acrylic is a good medium to cover things up. For the color, I have used dark brown with lemon yellow and little bit of black in it. For painting darker areas, I have added a little bit of black in it, and for lighter areas, I have added little bit of white. For the stairs, I am using combination of dark and light shade so that I can produce depth in it. For the next layer, let the paint dry. As I am using acrylic, so I have left it for 1 to 2 hours and it is dried completely. Add all the minor details, highlights and shadows. There was too many birds in the photograph, and I have been to Jaipur and it's filled with birds and pigeons, so I thought let's draw some birds. Hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. If you have any questions or any queries, you can write in the comment or DM me. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I thought I have completed it, but then I realized I haven't done the detailings at the bottom, so I added the details after. So this is the final result we got. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.